All right, then we have covered this sections here, right? So we are left out with just only 2 more sections, right? So we will be covering in this video this 1, 2, 3, right? Right. So what we have here is just a rectangle box, right? So I'm duplicating this rectangle, bringing up here. Perfect. All right. So just like this shape, you are going to give. So we have 35% opacity and this color, right? We have stroke of this linear F, right? 70%, 50%. All right. And we have radius of 20. So first we're giving radius to 20. This is not 35%. You're giving stroke of linear 70 and this 80, right? Again, we have to select this because we have to give it. Okay, good, great. Then it's time for the effect. It's background blur to 50. Let's check out what we have given here. It's 25, right? And 35% opacity. So just same. 25 opacity blur, right? Okay. Just matching up the following things, right? I'm duplicating this. There were. All right. Let's check it out. I'm standing up to behind. I need to change the width and height of this. So it would be like 400 and 200. Place it here. Perfect. All right. So we have to put in this thing here. This is the text we have. Zoom in, please. So first, centralize this, right? Okay, and we can have the layout to like 40. Now, right, so this is not a step. Okay. I'm selecting both of this thing and just giving this one. Let's right out with this. Okay, so that one is better with 80% or 100%. So 100% all right. Now just give some space here. I think 16 versus 12 will be all right. Perfectly fine. And guess right, so reduce the height of this rectangle to directly 300. All right. And we can swipe up with like collisions, like, right? So should be adding to 15 by 15. And we can give this shade. All right. Duplicate this one more time. And align this, and we can give it to like 10. Or we can just give it to 12 by 12. Perfectly all right. %20. Good. From this regular, I'm just changing to medium or semi-bold. 25. Or medium 25, right? Great. And just one more thing to write up here. Just we have to forget about this. So this is a line. All right. Actually, the thing is that this is not for here. This is the thing. Okay. So selecting all of the text and giving the shade we wanted. Again, we can have a effect 1/3 and a shade to 25%. Right. Let's check out what we have left with the content here, right? Okay, so this is the core photo. All right, so nothing's been left out. Changing the font size of this. All right, perfect. I think like, all right, so very much basically good enough to go ahead, right? Or else we can add some more things here, like, but for now I'm just leaving it like this only, right? So just moving ahead, right? What we have allowed, okay, so we had an just moving content here, right? So just we have been putting up some logos here, right? So I'm just bringing them out here. So first of all, we can try with this one. Okay, 2, 3. These are just randoms companies here. Okay, so we can try out, like, we can give the fill here to a lighter, so increasing capacity to 85 or like 95, 90, right? Good. And allowing them to this, and we can have this some spaces to like 20 or more about this 35. All right, so we can just bring them here, and we can see the contrast between them. Okay, so we need some more space here, so like 50 we can try out, or we can try out more like 100, just hitting. Perfect. Okay. All right, let's try it out with this thing. Just like 300 by 200. Bring opacity to 100. Okay, so just for now, I'm just looking up the logos here, right? So just have to change something here. Don't think about this. So we have opacity of 90, right? So I'm just changing this shade pro to this shade, and we're reducing its opacity to like 70 first. I guess this is working better than that. Now we can put up this shade here. All right, that's good enough. So we just left out with this footer, right? So I'm duplicating this rectangle first. We do need this. Okay, so just listen careful. I'm just trying some specific things here, right? Now, 100 with this. Okay, so just we have left out with a few more things. Bring it down closer. And okay, so forget about this now. Don't need any of this. Okay, so first, so what I do is I don't really like this color right now here. Okay, all right. Okay, 80 is fine. We have this here. Okay, stand backward. Yes. So I'm selecting all of these three things. First, align to right. Now we can have this to 120. It's just too short, right? So 180 will be fine. Let's try it out. 200. 200 is fine. So let's check it out. So it's 15. I'm just changing to 18 first. Good. this as well to 18. So it's all right. We can have a 20 by 20 first. All right, so we open this together. Okay, so not putting up much in here. Okay, let's change the shape. Okay, good enough. All right, so we are just finished it, right? Now we can reduce this opacity to like as we want it. Like first we can try 50 and add some glossiness here, right? So duplicating this, bringing it out, changing this width to 600, 400. Okay, so guess up. It's not working that way. We just what we wanted here. Just try it out. This shade. Right. So I guess the things are okay. No worry. Right. So we can look here, right? So that's less space than the other, right? So I'm just changing up the things here, bringing it down. Perfect. And still here, right? So let it push down here. Good enough. Okay, good. So finally, our design is ready, right? To overlook that, right? So or so we can have something right down here, something missing, I guess. Okay, so we can change. Yeah, we have to. The thing is that this rectangle here is okay. Okay, increasing size 500 to 250. Right. Now it's time to add this rectangle first. It's 5%. Do we want 10%? Okay then. So let's put things back to the frame. Those things, or we can have more opacity or like 30. We have even layer blur, right? So we can try first with the background blur and just give it to like 20. Okay, it's no. All right. Perfect. Good. All right. Just uh-huh. Good, good. We are going good. Okay. All right. Okay, so man, please. I'm just thinking right up the fill should be like 80% or like 90%. So 90% is just good to see that here. Okay, so just fix this, fix. All right. Just left. Okay, so one thing I just left over was that is a text here, which is this Q. It should be 25 bold. And we can try this sheet here. And from the background, I'm just ungrouping this. I don't want this. And instead of linear, right, of this shade, I'm trying out this with lesser opacity of this shade to 60 and good amount of opacity to of this shade. Right, so it is looking nice for this now. We can try out 30 first. Okay, good. Setting both align together. Making it 20 first. All right. Grouping them. Setting this with this, 9, and losing 200. 200 is not good. 300. Good. All right, so we can have a look over your second stream and moving up towards this. So just have a final look at what we have built and how is it looking now. Is it looking good, or do we need to make any changes here? All right, so here is it, a frame. Okay, yeah. So all right, so we can have just change here, right? We can make it look a little brighter, this button, a little brighter this shade. Looks fine, and I guess this white isn't doing better, so we move it to other shade here. And this shade, I guess there should be a linear in these boxes. Okay, and all right, so we can try it out. Good. This is fine. This is good. This is also good. Do we need to shorten the size of these things? No, doing good. All right, so something is missing here, right? So we can have a heading here, right? All right, so we have to give a heading here. This is good, and actually this is also good. Okay, so okay, right. So just moving up back to the design. So first, what we have seen here is like it's actually not in the center. Yeah, now it's in the center, and this can be made a little brighter. 1700, right? So we can try this. Yes. And next, what we have seen it here, right? We are adding up gradient. All will be looking differently, so differently, right? All right. Good. All right. Okay. So just copying this thing here to write down the text what we needed for this. What what we can add up to, like what client is. Instead of this, we can add Adam Smith, right? Just having a name. Context setup. And from 18 to 22, medium. In F3, all right. Okay, duplicating this. From this, I'm just changing to a darker shade. Okay, looking back to the offering, right? So, all right, so is it looking good, right? So I would not say this is a perfect design, but about to make an improvement in the design. This is how we learn the designing process. This is how hitting and trial, changing the element, changing the color again and again, till we are satisfied with those things, right? So it's just a journey that will just go on, never right? So designing is that process. Do we need to change something here right now? Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video or enjoy or got something new to learn, right? Okay, so just a bye for this video, and we'll see you in the next topic. Okay, and please guys support this video, hit it, give some views, give some comments, good or bad, and it will be fine. But just help good suggestions in the comment box. And if you want some content from this video, please share.